daw po ang pagiging isang bakla. Ngayon pa lamang po, ako po ay humihingi ng isang kapatawaran. Ngunit kung ang Barangka, Marikina City ay naniniwala na ang aming kasarian ay hindi isang kasalanan, maaari po bang makahingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala din po ba hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala din po bang pwedeng maging boyfriend dyan? Sarap naman po. Sa Glorious Evening Friends, ladies and gentlemen, here in front of you is a 28-year-old stunner, hailing also from our shoot at San Roque, Marikina City. My real name is Jarvie Estanislao, but for tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. From one of the sweetest faces of show business, ako nga po, ang dating kapamilya, naging isang ganap na kapuso, ang pinakahuling naging Tower Cats, ang nag-iisang The Dancing Queen. Bakit hindi niyo po palakpakan? Sapagkat ako po ang nag-iisa at ang original na Maha Salvador ng Marikina.
Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Thank you so much. Tonight, each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. I may not have the biggest or the most colorful costume, but I strongly believe that simplicity is the best, and being simple is truly remarkable. A glorious evening, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, and in between. A pretty lady standing before you, see fresh, 26 years old stunner, hailing all the way from the shoe capital of the Philippines and the whole of the largest shoe in the world. Our very own Barangay Malanday, Marikina City. I am very proud to say that I am once your former SK Kagawad, an overseas performing artist in Japan, and I am very proud and humble that I am once your Marikina's pride, your Itbulaga, Super Serena, your queen of the ocean. My name is Tanya Marie Panilag, but for tonight, allow me to borrow the image of your one of the most prettiest faces in showbiz industry today. Ako po, ang babaeng nagpatibok at dumurog sa pilikang puso ni Mr. Daniel Padilla. Opo, tama po kayo. Confirm, hiwalay na po kami. Mga kaibigan, dahil pahintulutan niyo po ako yung ilamin ng pagkatao at ang pagkababae ni Miss Catherine Bernardo na nagsasabing, bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan, wag po sana sa aking magagalit. Mas nanaisin ko pa pong tawagin maging isang baklang mukhang babae kesa naman po sa babaeng mukhang bakla. Maraming salamat.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan niya? Wala rin po bang hiyawin niya? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your recently crowned It's showtime! Miss Q&A Season 3, Queen of the Multivax, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am your Chinita Princess. Opo, ako nga po, ang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paulo Abilino. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis at mas pinaba...
friends, allies of the rainbow community, honorable panel of judges, and people of Marikina, good evening. Standing before you as a real estate agent in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. I am a proud mass communication graduate from one of the finest universities in Manila, from the home of the Tamaraws, Far Eastern University, hailing all the way from the mountain biking capital of the Philippines, San Mateo, province of Rizal. I am Patricia Bayumo, saying it is not a crown that makes a queen, but a queen who makes a crown. Thank you so much and good evening.
Andre Thomas, 21 years old, all my friendship, couple of the Philippines, municipality of Marikina.
Nanginginig siya sa tulog daw.
Ang nag-iisa, ang runner-up of Miss Grand National Berta Angela Sanchez Mundo,
Tagababa yan,
Miss
ang
Grand Philippines.
Hirap kumita ng pera. Sa bigat ng dala-dala ko, wala po bang palakpakan?
Ganda rin, mukha.
Maraming salamat po. Sa likod na kung saan ang bawat reyna ay gigil makuha ang corona. Ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po ako ihagin at pakilinin ang inyong puso, mga bata. I am Eunice Aquillo, 21. I was once your Miss Transcosa 2023, your Queen of Doña Petra Tumana 2023.
your Queen of La Paz Abra 2023, and your recently crowned Queen of Maribeles Bataan 2024. I am currently studying a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Our Lady of Fatima University, hailing all the way from our international shrine capital of the Philippines. Tayo na sa Antipolo. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant,
My very own barangay. Wala hubang. Wala rin hubang. Hiyawan dyan. The girl standing in front of you is made of sugar and spice and heavy and nice. Hi, hello, everyone. This is Gabriel Likot, 18, all the way from our very own Barangay Barangka. By the way, panel board judges, this is my festival costume, Kadayawan Festival. Tara na sa lalawigan at probinsya ng Davao. Once again, this is candidate number 8, saying, maybe I am out of the loop last year, but it's not diminished my undeniable talent and God-given beauty. Mabuhay!
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong walang maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, the physical attributes of a person as time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts.
Because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and define one's destiny. Connie Neil Corina Sibuche, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way last from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took a Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changer, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantasering Encantadia bilang si Sandra Nira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihigang puso ni Mr. Paul Silas. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos yung nagsasabi, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
everyone. This is Cassie Castillan, 17 years old stunner, truly all the way from the true capital of the Philippines, Marikina City. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang Miss Universe Quezon Province, Atisa Manalo. Atisa Manalo na nagsasabing, kung gusto mong gumanda, ugali mo. Thank you.